Everyone keeps telling you it takes weeks to change your life, months, even years. That's a lie. You don't need another long plan or a perfect schedule. You need one day, one choice, one moment where you stop avoiding reality and take control. Because the problem was never time, it was honesty. And today, you're getting something different, not empty motivation, but a 24-hour reset that realigns your focus, your energy, and your direction. This isn't about feeling inspired, it's about fixing your life. Let's start. Step 1. Go silent. Choose one full day and disconnect completely. No phone, no internet, no endless scrolling, nothing pulling at your attention. Just you and your thoughts. Most people don't need fixing, they're just overloaded. Their minds never get a break. There's no space to think clearly, no room to reflect, no chance to reset. If you can't handle a single day alone with your own mind, it's not because you're bored, it's because you're running from the truth. Step 2. Face yourself. Stand in front of a mirror. Don't look away. No music, just silence. Hold eye contact with yourself for 5 minutes and ask, who am I lying to every day? Stay there. Let the discomfort rise. That pressure you feel isn't weakness, it's truth pushing through. You didn't become this version of yourself by accident. You built it to be accepted, to avoid conflict, to stay safe. But today, you drop the mask. This is where the reset becomes real. Step 3. Cut the old pattern. Take a notebook and make 3 lists. The habits holding you back, the environments that weaken you, the stories you repeat to fit in. Write without filtering, be precise, then destroy the page. Burn it, get rid of it completely. Writing exposes the problem, destroying it draws a line. You're signaling that the old version of you doesn't get another chance. That chapter closes here. Step 4. The Power Hour. Set a timer for 60 minutes. This is your reset. No excuses, no distractions. First 20 minutes, move, run, lift, take a cold shower, push past what feels comfortable. Next 20 minutes, unload your mind. Write everything you feel, anger, fear, hope, let it all out. Final 20 minutes, sit in silence. No phone, no music, just breathe, just exist in the moment. Do this and something will shift. Strength, clarity, presence. You'll meet yourself again, raw, unfiltered, and unstoppable. Step 5. Honor yourself. At the end of the day, stand once more in front of the mirror. Don't analyze, don't judge, just speak. Thank you for showing up. Not for perfection, not for progress, but for being present, for not running, for facing yourself. Most people never give themselves that. One full day of courage, honesty, and intensity. That's rare, and today, you earned it. You're not broken, you're just buried, under comfort, under fear, under constant noise. But one day, one fully present, brutally honest, intense day can flip the course of your life. Not because you become someone else, but because you stop hiding, stop pretending. If this resonated, subscribe to this channel for more growth content. Let's raise the bar every single day.